Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dewi and today I will be explaining about smart home. So in here, in my microbit, I have the code for my smart home where in here there is on start of course and initialize SP8266. But if you guys want to find where this is, you guys can just search an extension link. This is the name of the application that will be used for this project, and you just click this one. And then basically initialize ASP to this. And then if the ASP is initialized, then it will show a check mark. Or if it's not, then it will show an X. Then if it's connected to a Wi-Fi, which is this the Wi-Fi, it will show a smile, and then if not, it will show a frown. Next, this is the code that is for the smart home. So in here there is forever, and then set IR, ER, LED or potential. Actually, this is make like new variable, so you guys can just type the new variable in and save it to make it like this, and then it will with an open P2. This is for like the second the component for your smart home. And here I use it for temperature and humidity and stuff like that. I use it for temperature, sorry. And then this I have my bling token where you guys can just click this one and go to bling this one and drag this one in the block. And this is actually just a random type of token that you guys will have in your Blink. And then it will be in a pin A0 and value convert to ER, LED, potential to text. Basically, if you guys want to know where you guys can grab your token, you guys can just open your Blink and of course sign up and your own um, make a new make a new make a new dashboard, sorry. And in there you guys can just uh, I'm not I will show you guys how to make it if you guys want. So you guys can just create a new dashboard and then maybe like add add a switch, like maybe two switch or something, up to you guys. And then I will also add a wait I will also add a slider over here. Or wait, basically this is how you guys make a new dashboard. And yeah, I sort of forgot how to make a new dashboard, sorry. But yeah, this is my smart home Blink where there is for servo, which is for the window, and LED for basically the light, and also temperature for, of course, the temperature. And then um, you guys want to know where you guys can get your token, you guys can just go to your device, and this is the token that will appear for your Blink. You guys can just put in there, and then next you guys can just set your servo, of course, same like make new variable, and to press the number to press the number with Blink token, your token, and then to the pin that you guys use. And then set LED, same thing with the above with the servo, and just use a different kind of pin. And then in here, if servo is equal 1, then it will go to an angle of 0 degree. Whether if you guys want to know where you guys can get this, again, you guys can just extension and then servos, like for example, like this, and just grab the one that, sorry, pardon, it's not in there. Anyway, so it will make the server to angle 0 degree and it will show icon R, a big one. But if not, it will go to 180 degree and it will show a small heart. Then beside it, below it, sorry, is LED equal 1 where it will the equal right pin of P1 to 1 of course, and it will show this big diamond icon, and if not then it will just return to 0 in the digital right pin. So yeah, now I'll show you guys the project that I have. I don't know if you guys can see it. Um, if you guys cannot, then I'm sorry. If you guys can, then Alhamdulillah, I guess. So yeah, we'll just go to my Blink, and this I will connect it to my microbit. You also need internet for this because this is IoT, Internet of Things, and this is a smartphone. This is a simulation of a smartphone that I will be using. So yeah, in here there is Surfo or NLD, but I will just show you guys the LED first, where it will turn on. Sorry. By the way, if you guys want to know uh, the how this works, you guys can just download your code, this one, and just wait for it for a while. And if this shows a check mark and a smile, then it works. But if it shows, let's just wait for a moment because it's taking a long time. It's frown, but it's fine, I suppose. Let's see if the LED works with the frown. I suppose not. Okay, it's okay. Let's just try the cipher one now. In here, this will be showing the. Hmm, it doesn't work. If you guys want to, oh, it did for a second. Well, only the sound. Let's try again. Does it work? If you guys click this is on by the way. The server will turn on and we'll close the window. This is open by the way, you guys can see. And then this, if you guys turn it on, of course it will turn on as well. And this is the temperature that I use. But not really sure why it's not really working. But before when I tried and not recorded, it worked. So yeah, that's a problem I guess. But it's fine. If you guys cannot, maybe you guys should change your Wi-Fi like to another SSID and password, and just try to make it as if uh, just change your Wi-Fi to another one, and eventually, if you guys find the right Wi-Fi for your laptop, then it will work. So yeah, um, I will do another simulation in a new video, in the same video but in a new one. You guys understand what I mean? So yeah, I'll just stop this recording and see if you guys can see the simulation. If I click the turn on and turn off of the servo and also the LED later. So yeah. Hi guys, so I just found out the problem. I just needed to reset my microbit in here. So yeah. Before it's already smile and also check mark. So I'll just show you guys again. I'm not sure if it will be the same or not. I don't really know if you guys can see it. Oh, it's X. It's okay. At least it's from smile. I'm just gonna wait because it's taking so long. It is taking so long. Oh no, it's frown and also an X. Let's just try again. I don't know why it's always so moody. Okay, now it's check mark and smile. See? If you guys cannot see it, it's smile in here, and also before is check mark. So now let's just try to uh, make the LED turn on. I'm not really sure if you guys can see it. I hope so. I'll just align it with the camera over here. So yeah, we'll just turn on the LED, and it will eventually. We just have to wait for a while, and it will turn on. See? And you guys can also see that the microbit is also changing the LED as well, as per the code that in the microbit that I explained before. And now let's just turn on and turn off, sorry, and see if it's turned off. It takes a really long time, but it's fine. See, now it's turned off. Now let's see for the circle, uh, the window here. Basically, it's going to turn on, and it will close the window. Now let's turn off again, and it opened the window. Now for the temperature, I'm not really sure why it's not really working that well, but I assure you before it's working, even though like only changing one number, but it's worked. So yeah, maybe, ooh, maybe that's all from my demo explanation about my smart home. I'm sorry if there's any mistakes in this or if you don't understand what I'm saying. Um, Maybe that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.